went to Kentucky. Clint drove all through the night, so I actually got some good sleep in. He just doesn't care. No. Just no sleep. But
it's the drugs.
Yeah. Never hurt nobody. But we got here in 13 hours, so we made super good time, and hopefully we can get set up pretty quickly. Alright, it's day 2 of Ford Fest. This morning we're getting ready to drive with RTR guys, so hopefully we can actually get some laps in. We're warming the car up, we just fueled her and everything, so really excited. Hopefully we get some laps, and it's going to be pretty dope. Last night was awesome. We ran around and did some shenanigans, and we helped the guys with the Coyote Swap 240, but unfortunately, their motor's dead, so that sucks. We're hoping that it was going to be an easier fix, but we found out that there's metal all in the oil in the filter. So we'll go out with the boys, have some fun, and we'll be back on later tonight too.
Oh, I got JTP kit on here. So this is a Prospec car. I saw this dude was ripping earlier. I think it's fast. It's a Coyote with a blower. Oh, you can probably get right through here. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
oh,
perfect.
Yeah. There we go.
Big old power steering cooler.
Open it?
Nah, I don't people's hood pins, bro.
Yeah, I already up. Did you see me earlier?
In front of me.
I was just trying to.
His hood flew up with no pins right in front of me. I was like, no!
It's a Mustang thing.
No, I watched this happen. And everybody looked at me immediately like,
No hood pin!
oh my god, dude. I always wonder why more people don't do the tablet dash. Sick. I saw you out there ripping. This thing's fast.
Try to get some laps later or what?
You're gonna smoke.
It's on 285, like 300 tread wear.
Doesn't matter. Our demo cars are not meant to be fast. I'll drive with you though.
That'd be sick. Yeah, let's get some laps in, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
So,
Hell yeah.
This is ours too. I don't know if
I was just about to look at this 4i hatch, wide body.
got the
Sick.
heat top, brother.
I
It's
saw
hanging in the
that.
trailer park.
People in the trailer park don't have big ass wheels like this.
Yeah, from Japan.
Yeah.
That was the thing. I had to make it look like a
They're
little
works,
stand,
right?
Like,
Are they works or what are they?
yeah, they work.
Yeah. Sick.
Yeah, this
Hell
looks
yeah.
gnarly.
Car's cool.
I built this when I was
What motor's
19.
in that?
That motor was in this.
Okay.
So I pulled the
Damn.
motor out of this to
So
build
there's
that.
No motor in this.
No, I have one, but that's like a,
Damn, so
hopefully
that
this year.
5 liter with the blower was in this?
It didn't have the blower on
Okay.
it. It made 500 wheel on 93.
Sick.
So, but I have a blower and a built motor and
I'm not a
everything.
4i fan, but Vaughn has these. That's his favorite is the 4i.
I love the 4i.
I'm not hating. I don't dislike.
No,
I
it's
don't
cool. People
dislike
have
it.
their thing.
I just like the other ones better.
Right.
But these with the like little GTS covers.
Yeah,
are
those
kinda
are cool.
sick.
I think I'm gonna do them. I've just been like, I want the car to like look factory.
Yeah.
You know, like it's ridiculous.
Oh sure, you want it to look factory.
It could come from the factory like
with
this.
12-inch
Like,
wheels in the front and back.
Yeah, have you ever seen a Stereon?
No, I know.
It's like
they're 9.5s.
Yeah, that's like the jam back then. Wide body with deep dish wheels.
Yeah, no, this is sick.
All right, dude. See you out there.
No worries.
On the track now, I do believe that is Chris Leonard, another Prospec competitor, Chelsea Denofa, giving chase. Here's a good example of Prospec is a feeder series of Pro 1. Look at Chelsea Denofa, says, hey, are you ready for Pro 1? Because this is what it's going to be like. Chelsea Denofa almost bowling him around the course as Chris Leonard works his way out the course, and Chelsea Denofa. I'm recording.
It's really bright. Okay, so we're packed up. We're like ready to go from Ford Fest, but I told this kid I'd do a review of his car and I wanted to meet him, but it never happened. We got busy packing, got busy drinking, and I actually didn't see him at all our last run group, which apparently Clint saw him running, but I didn't because I wanted to find him while we were doing the run group to talk to him. But this thing is probably my favorite car here. It's an S197 Mustang, and it's like perfect. It's slammed on its nuts. I love the like burgundy champagne color, and there's not stickers all over it. It's not too crazy. It's just like super clean. And one of the best parts about the car is she's got a fat old turb ski under her. So you can see here, he's got the hater pipes on it. Heater pipes are sick. Car sounds amazing. It's really cool because he shreds this thing. Look, you can't even put your fucking finger under here. Like, I can barely put my crock under that thing. So I told him I'd do a review of the car. Honestly, I just really like it. It's really cool. And you know, I haven't looked at it yet. Maybe if we get the light over here, look at the cage work and stuff. It's actually really clean inside. It looks like he painted the whole interior. Cage looks pretty nice. I think he's got speakers in it too. Yeah, he still got the speakers and everything. The cage actually looks pretty nice. Got matched colored dash and everything. And then he's got this huge radiator in the back. It looks like it's out of an F-350. I don't even know what it's out of. But the thing probably stays cool. So, I mean, he was shredding all weekend, so that's pretty sick. I don't know. Car's super dope. Really liked it. I wish I could do a review with him here, because I'm sure he could show me a lot more, because it's obviously got like an angle kit on it and coilovers and stuff. But this year, favorite car of the weekend. And you know, there's a lot of more cool stuff. Probably second favorite is the wide body Fox. I'm pretty sure his handles like Secret Agent Man, but S197s, they're just ultimate party cars. That thing's dope. Okay, so it's been a couple days since we got back from Ford Fest. I had an absolute blast. We've just been crazy busy because we got home late, and then I've just been working and then helping Brent get his new edge done. So I just haven't had time to make a video, but everything went smooth coming home, and it was just awesome. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully we'll go to a couple more of these events in the future, and catch us next year in FD.